Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I have COVID, so I'm not going to show you my face. I'm just going to give you my apartment tour. So outside we have the electronic keypads as usual, super safe. I absolutely love these. Okay, so this is the area where you leave your shoes off before you go in your apartment, of course. And this is the huge shoe cupboard they gave me. I've not even filled it up totally. But it's nice and spacious. So this is a 2-bedroom apartment in Suwon, and this is the small room which I use as a dressing area and a desk area to work. This is also Pumpkin's room when he's here. Like, this is his bedroom when he sleeps. I lock him in here so he's not a nightmare. I got another storage cupboard here with a little mirror, cute. Fake phone. Hello? Nothing. This is for Pumpkin. This is a toy for him. So this is the kitchen area, really spacious, like 2-3 times the size of my last apartment's kitchen space. This is a broken microwave. It only just about works. I need to throw it out, but it's so heavy. I've got Pumpkin's little cat tree here, a nice big fridge, and here's my pictures of my besties. Love you, gals. And then here's my bathroom. Let's have a look inside. Okay, so I have the washing machine inside the bathroom this time. That's just how a lot of apartments are. And then it just drains into the sinkhole at the bottom. It's a wet room, of course, again, but it's a bit bigger than my last apartment. There's me looking all cute and COVID-y. Rawr. Okay, so I'm pretty pleased with this apartment, bathroom, to be honest. Okay, here's my bedroom. So you remember this little bad boy from my last apartment? I got this for free in the last apartment on the floor. I took this with me because I had no bed when I moved here. And I actually got this on Facebook for free. Somebody gave it away for free. How cool is that? But the school gave me a budget for everything in my apartment. And then I just decided to fill it up with that. So I got those lights. Some of them are not fully down because Pumpkin tries to bite them. You remember these little mini desks. Got a nice little sideboard and a little side shelf here, which is super cute with air conditioning. This is actually a projector, so I project it on that wall at the back there, which is nice at night. You remember Desdemona in the house. And here's my little plant drawing thing. And I also bought that cloth thing. And you remember this little thing. I'm just going to show you my balcony area, but I'm covering up the outside because I don't want anyone to know where I actually live, obviously. That's dangerous. So I got 2 little doors that could fit here. However, I like the space, so I'll leave it open. Then I got a little storage cupboard here that's full of like a mattress, my duvets, my suitcases, all that jazz. So there is a lot of built-in storage. Not as much as my last apartment, but still a decent size. Okay, that is my apartment tour, guys. Tell me what you think in the comment section below. Any questions you have about the apartment, let me know. If you think it's cute, just let me know. If you think I could add something, let me know. Take care, guys. Bye.